Warm greetings to everyone. This project is performed by a team of 4 members by our beloved guide Dr. T.J.V.S. Subramanyeshwar Rao sir, Professor at SESI Institute of Technology, Tadepalligudem. The main topic of our project is smart identification of COVID-19 cases using deep neural networks. In our current situation, the main problem which is encountering by every one of us is COVID-19, which became one of the major challenge for every citizen due to the increase of number of COVID cases, which has major effect on vital organs, mainly heart pumping and clotting of blood. The common solution of this issue is deep learning is very useful for immediate analysis of behaviors and false detection. And our present work proposes that identification of COVID cases by using deep neural learning techniques and the report of the persons prepared from the historical data uploaded in cloud by deep learning algorithm. And this is the detailed diagram of our project. And this is the sample result which clearly predicts the presence of virus and affected the lung, and the another one which is not affected by the virus. And next, the existing concept deals that we are using a virus transcription polymer chain reaction, whereas our proposed concepts says that automatic diagnosis of COVID-19 can be done by using deep learning, and it has end-to-end architecture and without using any further extraction method. The disadvantage of chest radiography analysis is it cannot detect the pre-stages of COVID-19 due to the lack of sensitivity in CGO detection. There are many applications of these techniques in many situations such as arithmetic detection, skin cancer classification, brain disease classification, pneumonia detection from chest x-rays. Therefore, finally, we would like to conclude that the epidemic status scheme requires the correct X-ray reader for COVID-19 via deep learning algorithms to minimize the prevalence of the virus, especially in low-income countries. The usefulness of a CAD system is supported by the vision of X-ray images of COVID-19. We are very elated to know your valuable suggestions for improving our thought. We hope everyone wear mask, stay home, stay safe. Thank you with regards team members.